morning. I am K. Palnivel, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today going to this topic of the subject transforms and partial differential equation for second year agriculture and food technology students. Going to the case study for harmonic analysis investigation in CNC machine plant. First, going to the introduction. Harmonic distortion of the voltage and current in an industrial facility is caused by the operation of nonlinear loads and devices on the power system. A nonlinear load is one that does not draw sinusoidal current. When a sinusoidal voltage is applied, high harmonic currents can have several negative effects on a facility. High levels of the distortion can lower power factors, overheat equipment, and lead to penalties from the local utility for exceeding recommended limits. Each of these effects can result in higher cost to the facility. Harmonic currents increase the volt amperes required for a load without increasing the watts. ANSI, IEEE standard C57 series that the transform can only be expected to carry its rated current if the current distortions is less than 5. The overheating is caused primarily by the higher eddy current losses of transformation were anticipated by the designer. The overheating can be avoided by the either a derating transformer. Each of these effects can result in high cost of the facility. Harmonic currents increase the volt amperes required for a load without increasing the watts. The another effect the harmonic currents is overheating the neutral wires by connected the rating transformer. The effect is occurs because the third harmonic 180 Hz and any multiplies that do not cancel in the natural as do the other harmonic currents. This potential for overheating can be addressed by oversizing neutral conductors or reducing nonlinear currents with filters. By using the combination of pre-stored database and new interpolation techniques, the software can very fast to provide the harmonic data on real applications. The harmonic results obtained with this software have acceptable precision even with limited input data. In this paper, our case study analysis of two different cases is being compared for the presence of the harmonics at manufacturing plant case. Case 1 is the normal system of configuration delay interfaced with CNC, AC servo drives, spindle drive, along with adaptive and in progress gauging system, high voltage module, isolation transformer, and switchgear items. And in case 2, additionally, part compensated filter is added to reduce both systems. THVD and THID levels, the simulation results provided that the proposed harmonic mitigation method is limiting the harmonic level at all three locations satisfactorily with 5% as mentioned in this case studies. Next, harmonics in plants. By using combination of pre-stored database, the new interpolation techniques as the softwares is also real applications of the harmonic results. With the software have the acceptable precision even with the limited input data. The evaluation concludes here that this approach is very practical compared to other advanced harmonic analysis methods. The results are supported by comparisons of calculations and measurements given in a publication. Power Electronics and Applications 2005 European Conferences is called this one. harmonic plants. The two different cases being compared in the presence of the harmonic manufacturing plant. First case is normal system configuration, delay interfaced with the CNC, AC servo, series spindle drive adaptive prior staging systems. Next one, high voltage model isolation transformer and switchgear items. Second case is additionally part compensated filter is added to the reduce both system levels. Third, harmonic waveforms. The negative sequence of the evaluation concludes that the approach is very practical compared to other advanced harmonic analysis methods. The results are supported by comparisons of calculations and measurements are given. The practical measurements are given in the third harmonic waveforms in phase with each other. The wavelength is there. Effects of harmonic affects wave shape and power quality, while power factor is a measure of power quantity. Neutral current in three-phase 4-wire system is very high. Consequently, overheating of conductor is observed. Reduced power factor. Reduced power factor and failure of capacitor banks to improve power factors. Overheating of transformer due to circulating negative sequence harmonic current. Failure of protective relay and increased power losses and nuisance tripping of devices. Incorrect meter functioning, reading mistakes also. Harmonics, the voltage distortions limits are given in the diagram, and the system description and the results analysis are given. The phase 4 where the input supplies and the point of harmonics measurements in feed model, power model, and the power models are x-axis, z-axis, and y-axis is u, and v-axis are given. Description system under considerations are given in the diagrams. Harmonic data comparison in both cases. Even harmonics limited odd harmonic limit comparison of performance data harmonics level before case 1 and case 2. The harmonic mitigation or study being compared. Case 1 is normal system configuration, delay interfaced with CNC, AC servo drives, spindle drives, screw gauging, etc. etc. High voltage isolation, transformer and switchgear items also are given in the table. The short circuit power and total harmonic voltage distortion, transformer current, displacement power factor, harmonic loss factor, power factor, rating of transformer due to harmonic eddy current, resistive loss of nominal current, and total loss at load current also. Even harmonics are limited to 25% of odd harmonic limit. Comparison of performance data and harmonics level before and after harmonic mitigation. In our study, two cases are being compared. A case one, system without any measures without filters are given. First one is without filter and the second one is with filters in without filters in harmonic voltage. First one is without filter in harmonic currents. Second one is without filter in harmonic voltage. The given figures are given. It is illustrated the total current distortion level is 27.5% with the dominant impact of the harmonic orders 5, 7 and 11. It needs the mitigation from the clean power quality viewpoint so as to ensure the capability in input power to all electronically sensitive equipment. Apart from reducing thermal effect, the accuracy and malfunctioning must be avoided by eliminating or at least bringing down to acceptable limits as defined in the table 3 and 4 are given. Other diagrams are second one is are given. The illustrated the total distortions reduced 7.62% or over. For the graph, above graph is harmonic currents. It is listed the total currents distortion level is reduced 7.6% as compared to previous value of 27.5%. Voltage harmonic distortion is also reduced to 2.8% from 7.7% as in figure. Harmonic voltage respectively. Finally, going to the conclusion. In this case study, two different cases are considered for the analyzed and the power quality is maintained by mitigation of harmonics. In case 1, without any corrective measures, it is found that harmonic presence due to AC servo drives is DHVD and DHID are given, and after part compensation of filters, the harmonic level reduced to THVD 2.8%, THID 7.7%. Such improvement gives intangible benefits in form of enhanced life of equipment and free from unportioned, unpredictable supply, waveform, and magnitude informatics. That also is given. Thank you for watching my case study.